Hello everyone! We are so happy to announce that finally the next OHBM meeting will be held in Seoul, South Korea, in the land of K-pop, K-drama and movies, and now OHBM 2024.
We represent the OHBM Local Organizing Committee in Seoul, Korea. We are also the members of the Korean Society for Human Brain Mapping, an organization of over 800 members active for the past 20 years.
Human brain research in Korea has grown tremendously in recent years across clinical, cognitive, and computational neuroscience.
Join us at the COEX Convention Center in the heart of the Gangnam District in Seoul from June 23rd to 27th for an exciting scientific and cultural experience.
We look forward to meeting you here in Seoul for
OHBM
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 OHBM 2024.